on his kicks. Call him a bitch, a hoe, a fag. He better not say shit that want none of the rag. Quick to hit his ass with the boom bing pop. 3 to the jaw, choke him out with the slingshot. Then I might hit a punk with the red dot, or put his bitch ass in the figure 4 headlock. Either way, he wish he would've tucked tail. That nigga pussy, I know how ducks smell. Swell up his jaw with my right paw, then I spray his bitch ass like Lysol. Nigga, what nigga? Who the hardest nigga you know, nigga? Fuck that nigga. And his other nigga. Who the hardest nigga you know? He ain't shit. Give him the gun and hand him the clip. Stand there and make a muscle and I flex it. And watch the niggas run for the exit. Harder than taxes, actual mattress. Laying lumber while you poking bitches with cactus. No I'm fucking. Why you hating? Come on from work and play a Madden on your PlayStation. Drink your beer, discipline your youngins. Eat all your hot chips and your Funyuns. And you better not say shit, or your son gon' see your bitch ass getting pistol whipped. Who the hardest nigga you know, nigga? Fuck that nigga. Who the hardest nigga you know? He ain't shit. Spit on his mama and piss on his bitch. See these fists, he don't wanna try these. Bitch ass nigga bow down like he Chinese. Cause ain't nobody harder than me. The D to the U, R, A to the